Alright, y'all. I got Bullpup Mania going on here. So this right here, FX Impact MK2. This right here, Caltech KSG. This right here, FX Impact M3. This right here, SRS A2. And this right here, the Daystate Alpha Wolf. Now, all these bullpups have something in common, except for this one. This one right here is different. Daystate just came through and changed the game on bullpups. I don't shoot nothing but bullpup, so I ain't never really had a problem with the particular problem of bullpups. The trigger. That's right. All these bullpups have one thing in common, and that's a less than desirable trigger. And then Daystate made this. That motherfucker got electronic trigger on it, and it's good. It might be the only thing I shoot from now on. Yeah!